All right, I think we ran into a problem. You can see the alignment from the plumb drain is not right on the center. So we have to adjust to make sure that the drain is matched with the sinkhole. ឃើញបងប្អូនយើងមានបញ្ហាឥឡូវហ្នឹងគេថាយើងមើលទៅវាតយោហ្នឹងវាអត់ចំគ្នាវាខុសគ្នាពាក់កណ្ដាលអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវជួសជុលវាឲ្យវានៅចំកណ្ដាលស៊ីងហ្នឹងឲ្យវាទៅជាមួយគ្នាបានយើងអាចដាក់តយោបានអញ្ចឹងនេះជាបញ្ហាប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញរបៀបដាក់តយោចូលដើម្បីឲ្យងាយស្រួលនិងខ្ញុំជួសជុលនៅពេលក្រោយ As you can see I install a new sink somehow it doesn't line up with my existing drain it's off about half inch so we had to fix that ឃើញបងប្អូនវាយើងដាក់សិងថ្មីវាអត់ចំប្រហោងចាស់វាឥឡូវយើងត្រូវតែកែច្នៃវាឲ្យវាត្រូវនឹងពងរបស់វាណា So number one solution I might have to use pies 1.5 angle and pie shrub you have to do all the whole thing a new set to that but it's going to be a lot of work to cut off and join together for 2-3 times to get to the right angle by cutting this and install the elbow to get to this somehow you have to get to the pie truck. All right, that's the number one solution. And next year, មធ្យោបាយទី1យើងអាចប្រើតយោខ្មៅហ្នឹងកាត់បន្តវាកាត់នឹងចោលទៅហើយបន្តកែងវាហ្នឹងឲ្យវាត្រូវនឹងជាមួយនឹងកោងនេះណានឹងទីជំរើសទី1ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំរកឃើញជំរើសទី2នោះខ្ញុំប្រើ quick resolution I'm going to use this one see I will cut right here and connect to this one okay like that one and we joining this one see there like this after you cut it and this one can be adjusted see there can be adjusted to get to that so it's very convenient you can adjust it see the angle so it's a quick resolution it's a good pie it's not bad okay that's good enough that's what I'm gonna do so I'm gonna cut here and install the connection and this one just when you finish it you glue it and you just tie it it will stay there alright គេបងប្អូននេះហើយជាមធ្យោបាយទី2យើងអាចប្រើនឹងបានណាជាមួយគ្នាណាបន្ទាប់មកយើងកាត់នេះចោលទៅហើយយើងដាក់នេះចូលបិទglueវាណាបើដាក់ចុងស្អិតហ្នឹងឲ្យឆ្អិតទៅហើយសោកចូលទៅដាក់នេះចូលទៅវាត្រូវហើយណាគឺអញ្ចឹងអានេះវាអាចបត់បែនបានអ chẳng vì lo mình tên. Okay. It's not vì mình chỉ trơn cái trơn nhưng còn cắt tao môi tới vì chốt tao này tới mà này. Alright, we're gonna do that. See how it go. Alright, we're gonna cut it and install. So you're gonna use the ABS for the cement. I clean up the sand a little bit so to make sure the cement stay in there. Okay, that's it. Clean up a little bit. And you do the same thing on the other side. So this one, it doesn't matter where to go. Okay, bang phone. Nhưng cho cái đặc cắt lên tí tí chút về xa thế. Mình đã cho nó chọc luôn á. Okay. Make sure you wear your glove. Bẹ sống đáy, cái bị sạch đáy, chọc đáy. Okay. A very quick dry. Alright, you're gonna apply the cement on it. So they have a stop, yeah, you hook up, stop there. Alright. That's it. Yeah. Okay. It dry very quick. Okay. So I use only one time now. It's gonna be quick dry. So make sure you clean up good. And future use. just like by hand. It's a plastic. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah. We finish it. We're gonna test water. I hope it's not leaking. Oh yeah, we still connect the faucet. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Now we're gonna tie from the bottom. Should be good to go. We test the water. Yeah, no leaking. Okay, that's good. បងប្អូនឃើញទេអានេះយើងតប្រហែលជាបានមកម៉ោងផងណាហើយបាត់ហើយលឿនទៀតណានឹងឥឡូវអត់មានលេខទេទឹកអត់មានលេខទេ look good right that quick solve problem shut off the water still running beautiful if you like give me a thumbs up បងប្អូនហើយមេដៃមួយហើយនឹងជួយ subscribe ផងអរគុណ bye bye all finished. I still have to do the mirror, frame the mirror, and probably painting the cabinet. បងប្អូននេះហើយជាអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំធ្វើហើយវាបានតទឹកហើយហើយនឹងបន្តមកនឹងធ្វើកញ្ចក់ដាក់ស៊ុំវិញដាក់ស៊ុំវិញទៅវាមើលទៅស្អាតហើយបន្តមកលាបថ្នាំខាងក្រោមទៀតណាអូខេបាយបាយអរគុណច្រើន